That's right, I finally got a haircut. It was about time. Everybody had been telling me to get one for who knows how long. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about this trade right here. I have just entered it literally like 2 minutes ago. I entered it on the flip. I will explain, of course. But basically this is on the funded. I hadn't been trading it for a while because complications of the firm, let's say. Basically the management swapped. I didn't have the funded account for like a while, so I literally couldn't trade it. So I've just been trading other challenges in the meantime, getting them up a little bit. And I've now received it back. So I'm just hoping that the firm will actually pay out. Who knows whether that will actually happen, but if this trade right here wins, then I will be able to get a payout as long as they actually do. So let's see what happens. What I got right here is a really nice zone on GJ. GJ used to be the king. Hopefully it can reclaim its throne. Currently EU is low-key the king. It's just hit 4 setups like in a row within a week. Ooh, like 1 to 5 risk reward plus. So that's insane. But what we've got right here is our demand zone. Of course, this is drawn up normally because it doesn't go higher than the next candle. We have our level of liquidity that came down right here. We took that out really nicely. It came in a very straight line down to the zone, giving a very heavy rejection. I thought it was going to invalidate at first because it went pretty deep into the zone, but it didn't. That's a bonus. On top of that, the liquidity is a very nice fake out zone, as you can see right here. It was a really nice zone for normal supply and demand traders. The rejections really nice. Probably a lot of people got in around here, and obviously their stop losses would be below the low for the most part. Then we had a really nice break of structure of this high. Confirms direction. It's just everything about it is beautiful. Overall structure very clear. Triple tap right here, even a bit of a double bottom over here, and we've been going bullish for a while. We're breaking highs a lot. Just looking really nice, and I got pretty lucky with the fact that I entered on flip. As I'm sure a lot of you know, entering on flip is quite an advanced thing, like to be able to do well, and this is actually a perfect example of it. Basically we had our first rejection on the first candle. Wow, what a beautiful close, holy. And then we came into the zone, rejected up, and this was in the last like I think 7 minutes of the candle where it flips, so valid for an entry. Just perfect really. It wasn't really too risky because it's looking like it would close bullish, especially with how hard it had rejected. So yeah, I entered on flip. I'm not sure how many people did do that, but it has clearly increased my risk to reward by a hefty amount. If not, this would be a 1 to 4 compared to a 1 to damn. It's actually doubled my risk to reward. That is crazy. TPs, TP1 at a high, of course, pretty simple stuff. I could end up taking full TP there. We'll see how it's moving. But if not, we have our second TP. Currently just at this very like little swing right here. Obviously the gap will be filled in over here or at this random ass supply zone. So that's another option. But as you can see, it's a pretty nice area for a 1 to 8. Who knows if we'll take it up there. You know how we do it around here. I just kind of figure out where my TP will go as the trade is running, because a lot of the time it might just look like it's not capable of hitting that risk to reward. But yeah, bro, Discord is popping right now. Markets are in some ridiculous conditions. Like, it's actually crazy. EU is on a generational run. I put on my Instagram story the other day some of the wins that have been happening. I kind of wanted to make a video talking about how market conditions are just fucking ridiculous right now. I mean, look at EU. What is this, bro? What is this? These are all clean ass zones. We took all of these but this one in the Discord. This one we didn't take because news entry. This one's not actually like that. It wasn't that possible to enter without risk. But these 3, we've made some insane profit, bro. Then UJ did this. Unfortunately, this is at 4 AM. I was asleep. I couldn't take this one, but what the fuck? GBP Ord had both of these wins back to back. Once again, I was asleep during both of them. This one was at 3 AM, this one was at 2 AM. Some unfortunately timed, but doesn't even matter because we've had some other ridiculous wins, mainly on EU. But yeah, markets are on a generational run right now, and we're just looking to continue that with this GJ trade, I guess. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say. Markets are looking beautiful. I'll see you boys once this trade has done something. Alright boys, I'm back, and the trade is looking quite nice. We managed to take out this little supply zone right here. That's good. I've moved TP1 up just a little bit, and then full TP is currently at a 1 to 10, just because we have a lot of potential to hit a high risk reward in this trade. I didn't properly analyze it earlier really. Loki came to my attention in the Discord when RD was analyzing it. So shout out to him, shout out to Discord. This was a signal in there. I took this on my own fruition on the flip entry. But yeah, my 1 to 10 is kind of in the middle of this gap right here. And if we just look on the 4 hour, yeah, my TP is like basically in the middle of this gap right here. But if we just look, we have so much potential to go very bullish right here. This move here, this 1 to 10, this is not even that big of a move. That is not that big of a move. It might take a day, might take 2 days, it might take 3 days, or it might just lose. But be willing to hold through it. I'm pretty confident that this will hit TP, to be honest. It's just looking real nice. We've just got so much space to fill in up here. Of course, as I always say, we'll likely get some kind of retracement before hitting TP. I doubt we'll get one of these moves right here. I doubt we'll get straight bullish candles to TP is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, it's looking very nice. There isn't much to complain about at the moment, but I'm about to go to bed. It is 12 AM. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say, so I will see you boys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Hopefully this doesn't hit stop loss during the night. So yeah. See you in a second. Well, it's looking like it did exactly what I said it probably wasn't going to do. It basically just went up in a straight line. That's pretty lucky. What can I say? The 1 to 10 has been hit from my entry. A lot of people are still holding because they got the close entry or a little bit before. But yeah, for me, I'm good, man. I've got my 1 to 10. And I'm now eligible for a payout because I'm not sure if the firm I'm with will pay out. Okay, you know, I'm one of the few honest trading people on the YouTube scene, I suppose. And let me quickly show you something. So this is the account. I can't really show you everything. I'm also gonna blur the firm name right now because I don't want people, you know. But yeah, you can see that it says funded right here, and you can see I'm above the original balance. So I'm completely eligible for a payout. I've not broken any of the rules. My account is not breached. I can go onto the dashboard and you can see my account is active. My balance is above the threshold. However, when I go into payouts, I'm not seeing a request payout button. Yeah, I'm not like devastated if I don't get this because I'm confident that I can pass another challenge and I'm confident that I can get a payout on that challenge. This is kind of like a thought that like might happen the entire time because I got this challenge ages ago, passed it a few months ago. So much bullshit happened with it, but I was hoping with the new management that maybe something would happen. But yeah, it's not looking great for actually receiving this payout. But like I said, I'll let you boys know if I receive it. Back to the trade though, this was one of the most beautiful trades I've seen in a minute. This is up there with the UJ trade that happened the other day. This insane one right here. Absolutely ridiculous what like the market is on at the moment. It is just hitting TP after TP, 1 to 10 after 1 to 10. It is actually just ridiculous. Not that it really matters if I can't get a payout, but you know, we'll see. If I do not get an update within the next like 2 days, then I'll just upload this video like this. If I do get an update, then I'll add something else onto this. But yeah, just in case this is the last part of the video, then join the Discord, follow the Instagram, and yeah, that's about it. Peace.